Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use masking to create cool video effects in Capcut. First, open Capcut and import two videos and drag the videos to the timeline together. And select this mask options and adjust it to the video. And click on keyframe and move it to the end of the video like this. And then drag the video as a layer. Adjust the feather. And here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.